This video is recorded to help my students understand more about C++ input and output, particularly the output format and the escape character. We use cin for input from keyboard and cout for output to the screen. In order to use cin and cout, we first need to have include directives. For example, you must have include IOStream in order to use cin and cout. So to make this include IOStream makes the definitions of cin and cout available to the program. So you must have this. Then we must have using directive. So the using directive is use namespace std. This will make the names cin and cout available to our program. So you need to have include directive, include IOStream to make the definition of the cin and cout available. Then you need to have use directive using namespace std to make cin and cout name available to our program. Notice, include IOStream, you do not have semicolon after it, okay? But using namespace std, you do have a semicolon after it. So next key knowledge point is we will use // This is called escape character to tell the compiler treat the character after it with special meaning. For example, /t means the table space, /n means the new line, /double quote means the character double quote marks itself. Now, pay attention, the itself is a special meaning. So what is its line special meaning, which means ordinary mean, general meaning? Well, it is double quotation marks, right? Which means everything in between them is a string. So, but if you have / double quotation marks, which means you treat it as double quotation marks character itself. So cout include tools to specify output of type double. That's the next key knowledge point we need to know in this video. So to specify fixed point notation, we will use setf ios : fixed. So fixed is a predefined constant in the ios class. So you will setf ios : fixed. Okay. Then you will be setf ios : show point. Then you also can specify two decimal places will always be showing. You will use this precision 2. Okay, so please notice this setf and precision, they are all member functions belong to the output stream class. So which is cout, since cout is a predefined outstream object, so cout.setf and cout.precision will work. Okay, let us use an example to review this key knowledge point. For example, first let us do this simple exercise. Print out the following sentence as it shows. Work hard, comma, then go to new line with a type space or work harder. So I will print out cout, work hard. Now if I do this, what is the error? Now I want you to print out just in one line of code. So you cout, work hard. Then I will go to new line. Then I will have a type space. Then I print all work harder. Okay. Now if I just do this, it will not work. Well, /n go to new line, no problem. Then /t have a type space, no problem. But I did not print out the double quotation marks. Now if I do this, will be okay? Now this will have error because he will treat this double quotation marks as its ordinary mean, original mean, which means double quotation marks and double quotation marks together. He want to print out whatever between, which is nothing. Then you have syntax error because work harder, he cannot recognize it. So the correct way to do this, put a slash here. When you put a slash here, which means this double quotation marks just treat as a correct double quotation marks. Then you put another slash here. So, which means this double quotation marks will treat as double quotation marks as a corrector. Okay. So now, next, declare variable pi as 7 digit after decimal. So a double pi equal 3.1415926, 7 digits, right? Then I want to print out a pi with 3 digits after the decimal. So what I'm going to do, I will use cout.setf ios colon show point, right? You will see, right? There's a cout.setf ios colon you will say we use here called fixed. Okay. Now then fixed, what does this fixed do? Specify fixed point notation, fixed point notation, which is our daily used the notation like a 7.5, 2.3, right? Show point, that means you always show the decimal point is always show, like a 5 will be 5.0. Then I want to specify 3 position. So I will say cout dot precision at first 3. Okay, then cout pi equal pi. Now this is keep 3 digits after decimal. Now I want to keep 4 digits after decimal. What I do the same thing, and let me copy and paste. This time precision will be 4 digits after decimal. Then copy and paste. This time my precision will be 5 digits after decimal. Let's see what a difference of those. I first compile it. I have no arrow that begin right. He will ask you want to build it. Yes, I want to build it. Now you will see the black screen will show up, then disappear again. I always forgot that system pause because I use Xcode normally. I don't need that. Oh, this one a little bit slower. That's strange. Oh, it's already finished. Okay, let us put the system pause, then return 0. Get a good habit, right? Like I said. So, okay, let begin right. Yes. Okay, now you will say work harder or work harder. Okay, it's correct. Then pi is 3.142, then 1416 because it's 1415926, right? Since you only keep 4 digits after decimal, so it round up to 6. Okay, then you keep 5 digits after decimal. Okay, so in this lecture, we first studied why we need to use include IOStream, why we using namespace std. So include IOStream to make cin cout definition available, and using namespace std to make cin cout name available to our programs. Then we started / escape character. Then we started /t, /n, and double quote marks. Then we started the setf and precision function, which are built-in function for output stream class, since cout is a predefined output stream object. So cout.setf will call this function, cout.precision will call this function. Now, ios colon fixed and ios colon show point, those are predefined constant in the ios class. So first one means you will use fixed point notation to display this double value. Fixed point notation is just like the notation we use every day, 1.2, negative 3.5, and then there's specify the decimal point, which means even the result is 5, it will specify as 5.0 because it always show the decimal point. Then to specify the decimal place, you will use a precision function, give how many digits of decimal you want. So if you put 2 here, it's 2 digits after decimal, right? Then we use the examples to show you how to apply this knowledge. If you have any questions, please give me an email.